Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we'll be discussing a common issue that many website owners and users come across, broken links. We'll explain what broken links are, why they occur, and most importantly how to fix them, so let's dive right in. Broken links, also known as dead links or 404 errors, are hyperlinks on a website that no longer lead to intended destination. Instead of directing users to a specific web page or resource, clicking on a broken link results an error page indicating that the content cannot be found. Now let's explore why broken links are important in the context of SEO and how they can impact your website's performance and search engine rankings. First of all, broken links negatively impact user experience. When visitors encounter broken links, they're unable to access the intended content. This can lead to frustration and poor impressions of your website, and potential loss of trust. Users may leave your site and look for information elsewhere, which can increase your bounce rate and decrease overall user engagement. Search engine crawlers such as Googlebot regularly scan websites to gather information and update search engine index pages. When crawlers encounter broken links, they can't follow them to access and index the linked content. As a result, the affected pages might not be included in search engine results, reducing the visibility to potential visitors. Search engines consider various factors when determining the rankings of the web page in search results. User experience and website quality are crucial ranking signals. Since broken links can harm user experience and hinder search engine crawling, they can indirectly impact your SEO rankings. Websites with a high number of broken links may be seen as less reliable and authoritative by search engines. In SEO, links play a significant role in determining the authority and relevance of web pages. When a broken link exists on a website, it disrupts the flow of link equity, which is the value of authority passed from one page to another through links. If an important page has broken links, it may not receive the full benefit of incoming links, potentially impacting its overall authority and ranking. Now let's explore some of the most popular reasons why broken links occur, so you can better understand how to prevent them in the first place. One common reason for broken links is website restructuring. As websites evolve, content gets moved or deleted or renamed. If the links pointing to these pages are not updated accordingly, they become broken links. URL changes can also lead to broken links. When a website changes its domain name or modifies the URL structure, any existing links pointing to the old URL becomes invalid. Broken links can also be caused by external websites. If a website links to another site and that linked page is later deleted or moved without a redirect, the link becomes broken. Even small mistakes such as typos can result in broken links. Manually typing or copying the pasting incorrect URL can easily lead to this issue. Now that we understand the reasons behind broken links, let's move on to the most important part, how to fix them. First, for sure, regularly check your website. To identify broken links on your website, it's crucial to conduct regular link checks. Various online tools can scan your website and provide a comprehensive report highlighting any broken links that need fixing. Here's a quick example of how you can find broken links on your website using SiteChecker.pro platform. You will just need to add your domain to the tool, and after site audit is done, you will get a list of all the issues we have found on your website, including broken links. Here you can see all your broken links, and by clicking View Backlinks button, you will be able to see where those links are located as an anchors on the other pages of your website. Also, this will work vice versa. If you want to see all the pages that have anchors to 4x6 pages, no worries, we have also covered you here. For internal links, make sure to update them whenever you restructure your website or modify any URLs. This way you can ensure that visitors can always access the intended content. When a page or resource is moved or deleted, you can use redirects to automatically send users to the new location. Implementing a 301 redirects ensure a seamless transition for visitors and search engines. Maintaining a consistent quality assurance process will help catch any broken links before they become a problem. Regularly review your website and conduct tests and fix broken links promptly. For external websites, you will need to periodically check whether the linked websites are still active and haven't changed their URL structures. If you find any broken external links, either remove them or try to find alternative source to link to. SiteChecker Site Monitoring tool will allow you to both check your internal and external URLs for any broken links. We will notify you as soon as the website is automatically recrawled, and show you the list of the issues we have found. In summary, broken links can be a frustrating experience for both website's owner and users. However, with proper understanding and proactive measures, you can effectively prevent and fix broken links on your website. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.